It's Wednesday and we're almost at the end of August. Spring is in the air. Sun is out. We've had some beautiful days. We did get a bit of rain last night, but we've just come down. I'll just turn the buggy off so I'm not yelling. Phil's urea turned up yesterday, which was a little later than we were hoping for, but you know, it is what it is, and have to wait on getting it here. So we've like I showed you earlier, we borrowed a friend's tractor and super spreader, and he is currently getting it all spread out. It won't take him long because he can go at a good speed and it spreads a really long way, so we can get this job done pretty easily, and hopefully the rain will come and wash it all in. I'll turn around and show you. There he is. So I don't know whether you can quite see, but you can, it is spreading it quite a good way. Oh, there goes a hare running through. I don't know if you saw that. Scared a hare out of the paddock. It's getting good, is it?
Pretty wet.
It's getting wet.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's not wet.
No, it's not wet. Poppy's working on it, isn't he? Yeah. So you can see how quick he can go in this. You don't need to go super slow like you do when you're sewing or anything. Oh. Okay. We're going to go for a ride, aren't we, when Poppy comes back up?
With Shenzi?
Well, no, we're going to leave Shenzi in the buggy because there's not enough space for all of us. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. She might get another ride later with Pop. How's that sound? Good? Okay. Shenzi, get up. Get in the buggy. Good girl. Oh, you didn't... look at you, you poor old thing. You're walking a bit stiff today. But the barley's looking great, isn't it? We got another light shower last night. We're just hoping the urea actually needs the rain to wash in and work to its best effect. So we're just believing and trusting that that's going to happen.
Where are you?
The rain that we were going to get this week has just seemed like it's disappeared on the radars. But anyway, I believe that it's going to happen. There's meant to be a little bit of rain come on Saturday, like even up to 7 mil. So I don't know whether you can spy him in the background up there. And look, that'd be enough, I think. I know Phil's been filming from inside the tractor, so we're really excited about this year's crops. It's the first time that everything has gone to plan. We only didn't get one paddock in because of it was so wet, but we switched up the airstrip paddock, which is down there. If you remember, we ended up sowing that late. We were going to put that down to lucerne, but we ended up putting it down to barley, and there's a paddock down on the western side of us that we haven't got anything in because it is still quite wet. But other than that, everything got in. Everything's looking beautiful and lush and green. We've had a good amount of rain, not too much, and yeah, we're pretty excited about it all. So he's on his way back. I'm going to jump in and have a ride.
Hey everyone, it is Wednesday today, and we are spreading urea. So that's the picture from the front, and that's the urea at the back. I'm spreading it out on this barley that yeah, she needs it. So we're going out at 80 kilos a hectare. And yeah, so it'll adds nitrogen. If you didn't know, it adds nitrogen to the soil, which our our property or our crops need, because we haven't been able to have it for a few years, like we explained. But there's a fair bit behind this crop, but this was the last one that we sowed, and we were going to sow this one to lucerne, but the paddock that we you were going to put in loose and it ended up too wet. So anyway, that's all the screen and all the gizmo. A good mate of mine has lent me his tractor and super spreader to put it out. So thank you, Phil. We were just talking about it this morning. That's what farming's all about, isn't it? Helping each other out. He borrowed my truck at harvest time, and so yeah. Because all this stuff is rather expensive, and because we don't put in that much crop, but yeah, it was a big outlay for us with cost. Anyway, I have to turn around, so I'll have to stop. I don't know whether you can hear me or not, but anyway, that's the urea going in. Over there, that's the auger. Into there, fill that side, fill the other side, and it holds holds 3 tonnes roughly. So yeah, get a fair bit out in a day. We've got 80 hectares already. Anyway, it's all stuff. It's made, this stuff is made out of natural gas, and you would think that with all the natural gas that we have in this country, we'd be able to produce it ourselves, but we don't. We import it. Send our gas overseas for them to make it. It's ridiculous. Anyway, the world we live in.
There's your ride. Okay, let's go. Go around the other side, buddy. Is it? Yeah. Wow. Got all the dewfingles.
We didn't get that side all the way on there.
Well,
Poppy's done all that. He's done amazing. So good. You can see in the mirror behind us.
He didn't do that.
It'll flicker, but we're doing, 19.5 kilometres an hour.
yeah.
So it's a good speed.
Yeah, it spreads at 36 metres.
Oh, spreads 36 metres. We didn't hear that. Oh, and turn around, Charlie Bear.
It's beeping so we can turn around.
It's beeping to tell. It
When you
does.
get close to the end.
Oh, it's very bouncy. Excuse my filming. But a good point. You just said, didn't you, Charlie, that it would be squashing all the plants. Yeah, but it'll grow back, won't it? Yeah.
You can really see the difference
Where it needs to be. Yeah, it can actually. This does definitely needs it. You can see it's a bit thinner, a bit shorter.
Well, we're just going to get rain on the weekend or we're wasting our time.
It's going to rain. I was just saying, we're trusting that we're going to get, well, if it's only 5 or 7 mil, we'll have better up. Yeah.
We need water and rain and sunshine.
We do, darling. That is exactly what we need.
So it can flow all the way up to the
That is right.
Who gives us the rain and sunshine?
God does.
God does. That's right. Good boy. Oh, I didn't have it on. Oh, tree. Yeah. Whoa, where are we going?
Oh, there's our Trinidad. Oh, there's our big one.
We'll make it this time.
Do you think we'll make it?
Then we'll go past the tree.
Go into it.
Drive into the tree?
No.
That wouldn't be very good.
We didn't. Oh no! Here comes the biggest one.
Here comes the biggest tree, does it?
Yeah, look up. Here comes the biggest one. Is it going to make it past it?
Filling up. It's all filling up really fast too, I think. So this is urea, if you can hear me. It's like a granular product, and it's going to give our crops all the nitrogen that it's not getting naturally. We do plant lupins as a rotation crop, as a lot of you know, and that gives a natural nutrition and nitrogen, but this is just going to give it an extra boost for this year. Making more noises. Do that. Turn around, buddy. Turn around. Turn around. That's a boy.
It's the bloke coming this way. My neighbour from the Mingley. Yeah, but my neighbour's very old.
Oh.